Dibs the pink pack.
Pink pack. Oh, yes.
My pack.
Naku. Tama.
I'll do the purple one.
Purple. Okay.
Ako itong yellow one.
So,
I'll do the purple.
each of us, we're gonna open a one-piece pack.
I got the purple one.
Ayan, si Chacha. Hello, Chacha. Desiree.
What's up, guys?
Boss. Here you go. Hi, guys. So, we have an audience. So,
we got 25 viewers.
yeah.
Wow, 25 guys.
25.
Make that 29.
Woo!
Make that 33. Anyways.
Make that 1,000! Wala pa. Hindi pa. We're not there yet. So, 36. Okay. So, who wants to open their pack first?
For context, we're in the middle of Green Hills. In the
Green
middle of
Hills.
the road.
We bought some cards. Each of us bought something amazing. Wow. Thank you. Some of us found cards. You know? Found the cards they want.
Lost 10,000.
Lost 10 pounds.
Please comment down below if you're a One Piece fan.
One Piece fan. Oh, you guys, thanks, Christ. You're cute too.
Christ,
Yes.
You're the
Appreciate
cutest.
you, Christ. Okay, si Christ ang magbe-bless sa atin today.
Christ, what pack should we open first,
Sige,
Christ?
Christ. Choose the white pack, purple, yellow, or pink. Sige, Christ. Ikaw ang magde-decide ng order namin. Order up.
Tas umalis na si
Mama, Christ, wag. Don't leave us. So, we have, again, the white one, the purple one.
Purple.
Purple.
Okay.
Right.
Favorite color or favorite person?
Yeah.
Christ, ikaw. Okay. Woo! Christ the King, ha?